Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying essentials. Check Android TV version and free storage because syncing needs room and compatible APIs. Install the official cloud app or a trusted file manager that supports your provider, then sign in. Grant storage and network permissions so the app can read and write. Once done, open the cloud app and complete any two-step verification prompts. Make sure to choose the correct account and let initial metadata sync finish before moving to file organization and transfer. Now you configure sync behavior and transfers. You choose which folders to sync and decide one-way versus two-way syncing so changes behave predictably. If the app supports mapping, add the cloud as a virtual folder for easy access in media apps. Also set Wi-Fi only and bandwidth limits to avoid pauses during streaming. Schedule syncs at night if you prefer. Once the rules are set, start a manual sync for initial transfer and confirm files appear in the TV media browser. Finish by verifying playback and completing housekeeping. You scan or refresh the TV media index so content shows in apps. Test playback to ensure bitrate and codecs work. If something fails, clear the cloud app cache, force stop it, and re-authenticate. Network ports or router DNS can block access, so reboot the router too. Make sure to test a small file transfer before moving large libraries. If errors persist, check provider status and app logs to pinpoint authentication or bandwidth limits.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.